how to use CoinMarketCap. Welcome guys for another video about a beginner's guide to tracking cryptocurrencies. Welcome to Moneyfest online school. Again, this is Nawid Crypto, the leading expert and your expert. Make sure to watch the video till the end and do not forget to like, subscribe, and as always, keep updated with the crypto market right away, right now. Now let's get started with the CoinMarketCap. Well, what is CoinMarketCap? Basically, is the best website that you can track your price. You can just find out the market capitalization of each coin, the volume, and of course, the performance of thousands of cryptocurrencies. It means you get all the information in the CoinMarketCap. And apart from that, it provides you the chart, historical data, and most importantly, the news feed about what is happening in the crypto market and how you can finally keep updated with the CoinMarketCap. Now, how we can navigate CoinMarketCap? Basically, there are three main parts in CoinMarketCap. The first part is called the homepage. It means when you just open the CoinMarketCap, you can see the top cryptocurrencies by market cap and performances, and you can just watch by yourself and click on your preferred and favorite cryptocurrency, and you can find out the market capitalization, the performance, and the chart. The second one is the search. So you have a search bar. You can search for your favorite cryptocurrency and you can just monitor, you can track, you can find out every single information about the coin market cap in your specific coin. And most importantly, you have the charts where you can find the trends, the volume, the coin market cap, which shows based on different time frames. So this is how you can finally navigate CoinMarketCap, and you can finally get information about any coin that you want, and you can finally make the best decision in CoinMarketCap for finding the new coin there. Well, now let's practically see how CoinMarketCap looks like. If you can see the platform, the interface of CoinMarketCap is basically a very user-friendly and simple interface. You have the list of trending coins here. You have all information about the crypto. Like this is the market capitalization, which is 3.3 trillion. We have the fear and greed. We have, for example, the dominance and the news. And you can see that here we have the list of all cryptocurrencies that you can see by yourself, starting from the number one, which is Bitcoin. And you have different categories. If you want, for example, the trending one, you have the trending. If you, for example, want the AI, if you want the gaming, if you want, for example, the RWA, every single part is available inside CoinMarketCap. So if you are planning to have, for example, information about your specific coin, you click on that and you have a different interface. You can see the market capitalization of Bitcoin, the volume in 24 hours, the FDF, the total supply, the maximum supply, and every single information about the Explorer, the website, and every single thing that you can see, the price of that and where exactly you can find the Bitcoin to buy. You have Binance, you have Bybit, you have Coinbase, you have OKX, and exactly all other exchanges. And you have the graph of Bitcoin based on different time frame, 7 days, 1 month, 1 day, and then you have every single market capitalization, the prices, the candles, every single thing that you want is available here. And most importantly, in the right side, you can see that you have the news feed where the people are showing that people are like bullish or bearish for the Bitcoin. And we can have 79% bullish. It means the price is about to go and jump. And we have every single news that we want about the latest news about Bitcoin. And most importantly, you have here your portfolio and your watch list. You can add your favorite cryptocurrency that you want, and most importantly, you have your portfolio in the CoinMarketCap. So exactly, this is how cryptocurrency can be tracked in CoinMarketCap, and you can use CoinMarketCap for tracking, for the coin performance, and for everything of the cryptocurrency right away here. Now, finally, how you can track your portfolio. First of all, you can track prices. It means you have your favorite coins, and then you can see the real-time price updates for thousands of cryptocurrencies, or for example, your own specific cryptocurrencies. And you can set price alert. It means like you have chosen your cryptocurrency, like let's say Bitcoin, and you have an alert for that, that if the Bitcoin hits 100,000, you would be notified and reminded. So you're going to receive a notification when the price hits your desired level. And apart from that, you can use the historical data where you can track your portfolio and you can track your cryptocurrencies inside the CoinMarketCap. Now, With all says that, that's it for the CoinMarketCap. Now everybody, do not forget to follow Moneyfest World on social media because this is where you get the maximum information and updates about cryptocurrency and the crypto world. So make sure to follow WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram of Moneyfest, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.